They're like, hey!
Wow. I've pooped 3 times.
That's fucking gross.
Do I tweet it? No.
Yeah. Patting that weed.
Your darkest moment, I can see no way, I can see no way. Justin Bieber, shh.
I feel like punching someone in the face.
Special?
Your special invitation to the car.
Oh,
that was really hot.
Okay.
Yay. This is refresh like my computer does.
Pound of flesh.
But I like to keep some things to myself. I like to keep my issues strong.
2 minutes. My.
1 minute.
Stop, don't tell me that. Okay, I'm turning off the music. No, what's going on? No, stop. No! Natalie, shh. Natalie, stop talking. I can't breathe. Natalie, is this a real life?
This is a real life.
Try for Justin. Okay.
Talk for Justin.
Go, 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 go. Shh, 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 shh. What? What?
Wait.
No. Why is mine not ready? Why is mine not ready?
Why is mine not ready?
What's going on, Natalie? I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Liars!
What is fucking happening? I'm taking off my shirt.
Go, 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 go.
Find tickets. Find tickets. Do yours. Do one. Do one. Do one. NAHOSEC.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
No! No! No!
Keep trying, keep trying.
Did you do one? Put it in your car, bitch!
Yeah, I did. It's loading.
No, you didn't put it in.
I did. Oh wait, it was this, stupid.
I did that. Oh no, I clicked the wrong one. What is this? What did I click? I clicked the wrong one.
Oh my god, Alejandra.
I didn't know you told me something. You told me something. I hate you, Natalie.
I just saw it right now.
Oh my god. I hate you.
There's still more. Come down.
No, there isn't. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Don't quit, Natalie. Don't quit.
Never say never.
No! Oh man, I need to take off my bra. I need to take it off.
Choose another like VIP package or something.
No, I want that one! No, you can't tell me it's gone. You cannot tell me it's gone.
There's still 2. Calm down, calm down.
Make sure you click that one. Keep clicking it. Oh, because I haven't put in the password. What the fuck? Now you have to tell me these things.
You have to
Oh my god. We're not going to get tickets. We're not going to get tickets. That's it.
Shh. Never say never. Never say never.
Why am I going to select tick? Oh, I got it. You have to click 2. No tickets. No tickets. No fucking tickets.
Yes, I know.
No, we're not getting it. That's it. It's done. It's been 3 minutes. Fuck you! Oh my god. I'm taking off my pants.
Why is there pictures?
Nelly, it's that we clicked the wrong thing and that's it. We're done. It's done. It's done. That's it. No chance.
I can't believe that.
My baby's out. Don't quit, Natalie.
I'm not. Don't worry about it.
What the fuck? fuck are you talking about? Yes, it did match. What? Alkinga.
You want me to see floor seats?
Yeah. Yeah. That VIP package is not available either. I'm here, Natalie! My nipple came out.
This video isn't going anywhere.
Did you get floor tickets?
No, not even.
Shut the fuck up!
Calm down, we're gonna get something. Calm down.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Let me just see the best available, like best available in general. Don't quit. Don't quit.
What the fuck is going on?
Libreta. Why are you giving me these things? My baby's out. I hope it doesn't show on video. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? How can this all be gone? How is best available gone? How is that even possible? The concert kind of sold out already. We're gonna get this, Natalie. It's gonna fucking happen,
It's gonna
bitch.
happen. I have a feeling.
I have a feeling that it's gonna happen. Because Justin Bieber would not do this to me. I'm very hungry. Why are you so famous, Justin Bieber?
I know, bro. I thought nobody would be up at this time. What is that?
Go fucking kill yourself. I hate you. I don't really hate you. I'm kidding. I'm making it right now.
Not really.
Any fucking price, bro. Pay a fucking $1,000.
Those lucky people that get through. Like, I just want to. Ugh.
Punch him in the fucking vagina.
Yeah, like.
What is this happening to me? My tetas hurt. Who's calling me, bro? Fuck, I don't want to call you right now. Thank you, Papi, but no. You're paying for this, but no.